Political, economic, social, technological, environmental, right, pestle analysis. So the first P is going to be discussed now, and legal, L. Constructive dismissal occurs when an organization no longer need an employee and therefore terminates. So when it terminates, it's not constructive. Simple. It's not constructive. Constructive is when employee himself or herself resign. It is when employee resign because their employer has breached the term of their contract, right? So it's simple, it's false, right? Which of the two following are responsible for an employee's health and safety in the workplace? The employer, the employee, the internal auditor, the health and safety advisor. What do you think? I want just you this one question left unanswered, so you have to see it yourself, because when I keep on answering the questions, you'll just listening it and watching it, and I'm just to wake you up, I'm just asking you to answer it yourself and then match your answer given in the answer book of your answer exam toolkit, right? So this is left for you. Okay, so I think there is something that you should also be involved in it. It's just a wake up call for you. Hope you don't mind it, right? Okay, which of the following is not a typical requirement of sale of good legislation? Which of the following is not a typical requirement, means specific requirement for what? For sale of good legislation. A seller must have a legal title the goods being sold. It is a requirement. Goods sold must be fit for purchase. Yes, it is a requirement. Item description must be accurate and good must be reasonably priced. No, it's there's nothing for it's not a typical requirement for sale of good that it is reasonably priced or highly priced or low priced, but all the above three are the requirements. So this is not the typical requirement. See, each you have to focus the word typical requirement. Okay, now here comes the question.